ERP and CRM systems are the backbone of any manufacturing or distribution business. Without integration, these systems work in silos. Data gets duplicated, orders are delayed, and your teams waste time juggling between platforms. But the point is not that your ERP or CRM is broken. The problem is the gap between them. Your sales team closes a deal, but the order doesn't sync instantly with inventory. Your finance team processes an invoice, but customer details don't update in CRM. And honestly, relying on manual updates is just asking for trouble. It slows you down, creates errors, and costs you money. This can be solved by integrating your systems. When ERP and CRM talk to each other, data moves automatically. The moment a deal is closed, an order is created. When stock runs low, sales teams know instantly. No manual work, no guessing, just smooth real-time updates. Now, there are 3 ways to integrate. Ready-made connectors, the easiest option. Some apps come with built-in connectors that let you integrate systems with just a few clicks. No coding, no setup, just plug and play. But it's limited to what the connector allows. Custom API integrations, a step up. If your needs are simple, you can use existing APIs and have a small technical team connect your systems. But if you need something more customized, maybe syncing complex data structures or handling multiple workflows, you'll need custom API development to build a tailored solution. Middleware, the most flexible, hassle-free option. Middleware acts as a bridge, syncing data between multiple systems automatically. No coding, no manual updates, just seamless data flow. For quick fixes, connectors work. For control, APIs work. But for long-term scalable automation, middleware is the best choice because it's hassle-free, scalable, flexible, reduces errors, and saves time. Plus, it takes the stress out of managing multiple systems and makes them work together seamlessly. One of the top middleware solutions for manufacturers and distributors is NDC Cap Integrator. It's built to handle the unique challenges of B2B businesses and helps streamline operations without any extra hassle. Some of the top features of NDC Cap Integrator include simple setup. The team can handle any customization needed. Easily adjust how data flows between systems. Stay informed with up-to-the-minute data. Get notified every time an issue occurs. Whether you're processing 100 orders or 10,000, NDC Cap Integrator handles it smoothly. So, the gist is that your ERP and CRM should work together, not against each other. And DC Cap Integrator can help you get a seamless, automated, and scalable integration without the hassle. Get in touch with us today and see how DC Cap Integrator can make your systems talk to each other.